Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on the application of Pinterest. You will go to settings. In this list you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Pinterest and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.